Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Soul Record. Today I'm going to unbox Ulanzi Light. This is a pocket RGB light from Ulanzi. It has 20 kinds of light effect. Let's open the box. That's all inside the box. USB to Type-C cable charger. Manual book. It's written in Chinese, English, and Japanese. This is the Ulanzi Light. There are color chart for you to find the color in RGB lighting. It has a magnetic on the both sides. It is time to turn on the Ulanzi Light. To find the hue that you want, you can use the color chart above it. You can use Ulanzi to adding the ambience. You can see a different ambience in these photos. In my opinion, Ulanzi Light is a good compact light. Because it's compact, you can bring it with ease without a trouble. I use Ulanzi if I need an extra light or if I want to adding the ambience. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit like button and subscribe.